Hi everyone, today you're seeing the unboxing video of Gana HDMI 4K and 2K switcher. It supports both 4K and 2K resolutions and it has got manual and a small leaflet with 3-month warranty, and this is one output and three inputs. We have select button to switch over from 1 to 3 amongst those inputs. So here they are clearly demarked as input 1, 2, 3. Now I'm connecting the HDMI output to monitor, and here is the cable. It is enough for keeping on table and comfortably switching it. And I've connected two inputs currently. One is Roku and another is to MacBook. And here you are seeing the Roku, and I'm switching it over to input number 2. And input number 2 is a computer display. As you see, the quality is not degraded.